Verisurf 2025 simplifies CMM programming and collision avoidance through the addition of a clearance plane option for go-to points in an inspection plan. After features and probes are added to a plan, collisions between the probe and the part, represented by the intersection of the path with the model, are addressed by adding go-to points, which divert the path around or above the part. Verisurf makes it easy to add go-to points for multiple features at once, such as features following the probe changes that are used to measure different sides of a part. The features are first selected, and the Add Go-To Point dialog is then used to modify the path. Go-To points can be added before and/or after the selected features. These points move the probe to a clearance plane a specified distance above the extent of the model in the Z-axis direction, and individual go-to points can be removed if necessary. Path simulation demonstrates the benefit of the go-to points. The path between features is free of collisions, and the probe clears the part during probe change articulation. Verisurf's new clearance plane for go-to points helps you create collision-free inspection plans faster than ever.